to Fixing with Friends. This is the $300 painting adventure, and we're now on Chapter 8, which is going to be pulling out the windshield on the Datsun 280Z. I tried doing it the way that the manual said. However, the seal was pretty old. It really wasn't having any of that, so instead I'm going to show you a way to save yourselves a bunch of time, but you have to sacrifice the window seal in the process. So if it's a brand new seal, maybe you can get away with doing it the way the manual suggests. Otherwise, just save yourself time, do what I'm going to show you. But yeah, let's get to work. Here goes. I'll let you know if I break it when I'm moving it. Window aside, be very careful with the trim. Don't pull, just slide something under it and use your hand to guide it. Now, if I'm doing this entirely wrong, please tell me in the comments. And hopefully, I will read them before I go to put it back in or do another windshield. In absolute worst case, I just won't put these back in and I will use one of the black universal ones. It kind of looks good, but the chrome is also nice. It's a little big though. A smaller chrome trim would be preferable. So this isn't actually as hard as rock as I thought. I might be able to reuse this. Oh. Where did it fall? Now, the one I did before had a seam, but it doesn't look like this one does. I don't know how I'm going to do this one. Hopefully not in an oh no, I just broke it irreparably way, but I did sort of plan on having to replace this anyway. No, I didn't. If I can save it, great. If not, well, it's not an unexpected loss. Right, well, apparently I did it wrong. It's actually, the entire seal wraps around the frame, unlike most of the other ones where it's got a wedge in the top. So you put it around the windshield and then place it into the car. Well, theoretically you could pipe it over. Anyway, we're gonna just pull it apart this way. Or not. I may save this for another day because it's going to take a while. Yep. Another day. I still have stuff to put away. Now I could be wrong, but according to the manual, yeah, I don't think that's going to work, manual. You're supposed to free it up and then push. I don't see that happening. I have to do it my way, which is much more destructive, unfortunately, in this case. Maybe I can peel it back from the front. I don't feel good about this. It's a lot of overlap. Alright, we'll revisit the windshield later. To save yourselves a bunch of time, my suggestion is to cut off this section that's holding in the glass and then just replace the whole thing. So what have you missed today? Well, I've blown the car. And not too much else, just cleaning. And as I said, blowing off all the dirt. So we're gonna take out the windshield with the rest of it. The rubber is far too solid to do it the proper way without breaking the windshield, I've decided. And I'm not really interested in wasting perfectly good windshield, so I'm just going to do it the lazy way, which I've already started. Oh, and now I can't do it that way. Yay!
Well, here goes a few $100s. And balance it while I turn this off. Well, the camera fell down again. I do quite like the look of that trim, just black without the chrome, but it'll look a little weird because I'm putting the rest of the chrome back on if it's missing. Anyway, I already bought the windshield seal that takes the chrome, so now I'm just pulling it off. Sure, now it's easy-ish. Okay, should pull that off. Do I have to? No. Probably bending it. Bend it back. More garbage. Sweet.
If you are going to save the windshield seal, start on the inside of the car at the top of the windshield and move from the center using the putty knife to peel it away towards the outside and then down. Alright, that's the episode. Next time on the $300 painting adventure, we are going to be probably getting into pulling off the paint finally, which will be nice. The sunroof we're going to deal with later as kind of like all in one, and you'll see what happens with that. But on the next episode of Fixing with Friends, we will be helping a friend of mine replace their front bumper cover and painting that at the same time, so you'll get to see a bit of the painting process before we actually get to it on the Datsun. And this is just going to be with rattle cans, and then also for your own curiosity you can see what kind of a finish you can get with that. Now, we didn't end up taking it all the way to clear coat, and I will explain in the video why. But anyway, that's all for today, and see you guys next time.